Here we go.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor Currency Trader. Well, here it is, Monday morning. We had Sunday night trading. The robot made about $800 and it would have made a lot more, but I broke the rule. When you're got the trades going, don't mess with them. I messed with them. My fault. I was in the euro dollar, had two trades. I believe it was these two right here. And they went up here and got into profit and came back down. And I was a little worried that they were going to go out of the money. So I went ahead and closed them. Closed them in profit. It was about $50 a piece. Not bad. But then look what I gave up. I gave up all this, all here, all this. So I'm going to keep myself from doing that. Because then the ones that took the losses, I still took the loss. So it had nothing to do with that. So this tomorrow night or tonight, I'm going to make sure I do not mess with the bots. So it's a bad habit. It's hard to, you know, be a profit taker. I saw profit. I got worried that it was going to turn around and go down, and which it was. But look, it hit support and took off. So that was a big mistake. I threw away about $400 on that one. I could have got more profit. But that's about learning. And I'm trying to take my lessons and teach them to you so you can learn from my mistakes. So with any, it wasn't a loss. I still won. I still got a profit, but I was cutting my winners short, and that's bad. And the losers still lost exactly what they're supposed to lose. So if I would have waited till I normally get up in the morning and then mess with it, that would have been better. But I didn't. I messed with it late at night. I woke up for some reason around 2 or 3 o'clock and saw it was in a triangle and had already hit max profit, was coming down, and I closed them. To where if I just would have waited, I would have had all that. So next time, nope, don't touch them. So anyway, the robot's doing great. Remember the first week it made 9,500. Right now we're up at 13,000 with profit. And then what happened last week, we had only gone up, if you take away the about $700, I think we made about 700 last night, 800. But you take away that, that's what we did for the week. And that was Sunday night was a real good night, which led into Monday. But then we had 3 break-even days. No losing days, which is good. Just break even. I had a lot of trades, but at the end it was even. So I had 3 days like that, and then the last day was Friday. It made great money too. So we did come up about another. So we were at 950. So we came up by another $2,000, and then last night we came up. So that's good. So it's doing real good. I just wanted to let everybody know how it was going. I didn't get a chance to get back to a video on this. I was working on some other stuff. But it's going great. But the thing I can tell you with this robot is don't mess with it. Now in the morning, when you get up around 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and you got negative trades, you can just close them. Or you can try to see if they might work out better if you wait. But usually it's best just to close them. Because usually there's enough profit that it's not a big deal. And that's what I did when I woke up at said it was about 6 o'clock. I think I did that. So, but if I would have waited and closed instead of closing them in here and closed them up here, it would have been much better. So what are you going to do? It did grab this one, so that was good. It did give me one, but I already had 2 that were way down here that could have climbed all the way up there. So I just missed out a little bit. But that's how it is. You're not supposed to mess with it. That's what's so great about this robot. Don't mess with it. Turn it on in the morning, you turn it off. And if you do have a couple negative trades, you can look at them and say, okay, are they starting to come around and get positive again, or should I close them now before they get any worse? Usually it's close them now, but take a look anyway. You never know. But if they are bad and they're only going to get worse, just close them. It's okay. The robot's designed to have losses. So I mean, it's up. What has it been now? 2 weeks, 1 day, up 13,000. I'm happy. Now I am running 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 5 currency pairs. This is a one we don't have nothing on. This is my Nadex chart. So we're doing that now too. I'm going to start doing Nadex, and like this afternoon, I'm going to do some trades and do a video on it. So we're doing right now for this, we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs. So it is quite a bit, but it's making pretty good money. But I mean, okay, so it only made half of that. That'd still be great. It's more than most traders make. So, and this thing's hands free. That's what's so awesome about it. You just plug and play. I finally got people that were looking for an income that was hands-free. They don't know how to trade. They're scared of trading. Now they're excited about the robot, so it's good. So the videos are actually getting to people now. It's good. I had some people contact me, but now the problem is they want to get the robot, but I'm not selling the robot anymore. Robot's offline. You can't buy it. The robot's, nope. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up with a trade service. So not a trade service, but the robot service. And if there's any particular robot you want, they can be rent. They can get it for like $100 a month, and you can get the robot and you can have it put on your account and make money. So that's what it's all about. So that's what we're going to go. Just I'm scared of people having the software, and why get it out in too many hands? Who knows what could happen? Then people start selling it cheap on those other sites. It's crazy. So to have some kind of control, I'm going to stop selling the robot, but we are going to sell, trade copier services to the robot. I think that's the plan. So that'll be coming out soon. So I'm excited. I got to talk to Robert and see what we're going to do, and we're still trying to figure it out. It's crazy. Something new, something crazy. Just like the Nadex. I'm going to start trading Nadex today. I'm very excited. So it's always something new coming out. We're always looking for ways to make money, but make it easily, make it hands-free. Now the Nadex won't be hands-free, but we're going to be using basically our basic software, which is this right here. When it's green, it's green. You take a buy trade on a 5-minute chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, right? So now the whole idea is in that 5 minutes, if it's you do $100 bet, you can lose 100, you can win 100, right? So what happens is you won 100. So now you're up 100. You wait to the next signal right here, right? You get the signal, you take the trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It wins. Now you're up $200. What do? You quit. You're done for the day. You're done. Walk away. Yes, you can get more money, but yes, you can give it back too. Forex trading is designed for human nature to give money back. So when you use a software that allows you to get ahead, you stop when you're ahead. So if you can do 2, maybe 3 trades, you can do 1 more trade, I guess. Over here, you would have had 1. So you would have had a trade. There would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You won. So now you're up $300. So now for sure you stop for the day. That's all. And then you have a rule where maybe you only do no more than 6 trades. So if you have a losing, you're down 200. The next one you win. Next one you win, you're back even again. You're allowed 2 more trades. So hopefully those are winners. So we got to have some kind of rules to keep us from over trading. And you have to have rules that if you have more than 3 losses, you quit for the day. So if you lose, obviously the market is not doing what it's supposed to do. So therefore you need to quit for the day. So that's all. You just got to have rules. And that's what we're going to make up today. I'm going to see how it goes, but I'm kind of going by those rules, which will be you can do max 6 trades, but if you can get up to $300 within that time, you're done. That's all. Or it could be a smaller amount. It doesn't have to be 300. Maybe only whatever your trade is. If you can double your money, you're done. That's all. If I come in and bet 100 and bet 100 and I'm up $200, then I should quit. I'm doubled my money what I'm betting. So that's the way to look at it. And I don't mind doing 3 trades. 3 trades safe if you're already up 200, 1 more. But the problem is, what if you lose that one? Now you were up 2, now you're back again. Now you're back to struggling to get that back. So, and the idea is to use this software, which is the cash cow arrows, without any of the oscillators. So it gives you every arrow. So you got to make sure it lines up with the oscillator. And if they don't line up, you have to wait till the oscillator goes, and you have to look at the history in it within the past, 20 minutes, that it is going up and down. If it's not, and it's going like this, you can't trade this. This was Sunday morning when it opened. You can't trade that. I did that video about that, and you can't do it. Yes, you might have won, but who wants to take that chance? It's not till it starts looking like this that you want to start trading. Like that. And then you can trade it. But this is real quick, in and out, 5 minutes. The whole idea is to a couple trades and you're done. 2, 3 trades, you're done for the day. That's it. You make an extra $300 for the day or $200 for the day and add that into your winnings with your other robots. That's awesome. I mean, that's all we want. We want easy. So I just wanted to explain it to everybody. I know there's already a video out and you guys are probably already seen that and tired of hearing me talk about it. So anyway, I'm excited. It's coming. I'm going to start it today and I'll do a video on that today. And the robot's doing great. Everything's doing great. So, and those of you that got the robots and don't have them hooked up yet, get with me. We need to get you hooked up. So we need to get you guys all making money because it's making me money. We got to get it making you money now. All right. Any problems, anything, please get back to me. All right, you guys have a great day. Stay safe out there. Life is still crazy. I've been watching the news and it seems like it's getting crazier. So I don't know. So anyway, be safe. Okay, bye-bye.